Good morning, everyone. We are going to start with permutations. Find the number of 5-letter arrangements that can be made from letters of the word daughter. Now, total alphabets are 8. Number of 5-letter arrangements possible are P85. Factorial 8 upon 8 minus 5, that is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, factorial 3 get cancelled out, and we are left with only 8 7 6 5 4, that is 6720. 6720 arrangements are possible. Find n if np5 is equal to 42 np3. Pn5 or np5 is same, is equal to 42 pn3. What is pn5? Factorial n upon n minus 5 factorial. 42 multiplied by factorial n upon n minus 3 factorial. Let us arrange it in this way: n minus 3 factorial. Factorial n and factorial n are cancelled out. You can see factorial n and factorial n are cancelled out. We can arrange it as n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 5 factorial. N minus 3 factorial can be written as n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial. N minus 5 factorial is cancelled out. Put it equal to 42. We have this equation now. N minus 3, n minus 4 is equal to 42. We solve it. We get this equation: n square minus 7n minus 30 equal to 0. Let us factorize it by using middle term split method. We get the factors n minus 10 and n plus 3 equal to 0. Since negative value is rejected, so the answer is n minus n is equal to 7, n is equal to 10. Third question is find n if Pn minus 1 3 ratio Pn4 is equal to 1 upon 9. So what do we get? Pn minus 1 3 is equal to factorial n minus 1 n minus 1 minus 3 factorial. Pn4 is equal to factorial n upon n minus 4 factorial. We can arrange it like this: n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, factorial n upon n minus 4 factorial. This n minus 4 factorial is cancelled out. What do we get? N minus 1 factorial upon n factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial upon factor n into n minus 1 factorial. That will on cancellation give us 1 upon n is equal to 9, and n is equal to 9 is the given answer. In how many ways letters of the word apple can be arranged? Total letters are 5, repeating letters are 2. Now please note down, if the numbers are repeating, we have to divide them by the total permutations. Total permutations is factorial 5. We divide by those numbers which are repeating, that is factorial 2. P is repeating, so we are getting 120 upon 2, 60 ways. In how many ways letters of the word Allahabad can be arranged? Total letters are 9. A is repeating 4 times, L is repeating twice. So we do it as factorial n divided by factorial 4 factorial 2. Factorial 9 can be reduced to 9 8 7 6 5 factorial 4. Factorial 4 is cancelled out, and cancel 2 with some number, say 8. So it will become 94765, that is 7560 ways. In how many ways letters of the word laughter can be arranged, having all vowels together? Now this is a good question. In this, the vowels A, U, E of the word laughter are considered together. Consonants are L, G, H, T, R, 5 in number. Total we consider as 5 plus 1, where 1 is considered as the packet of vowels or vowels coming together. So there are six objects now. So arrangement of vowels is factorial 3, since there are 3 vowels, 6 ways. Arrangement of consonants with vowels coming together is factorial 6. Factorial 6 is 120. So total possibilities is 120 into 6, that is 720 ways. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed using 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? Now please see, a number is divisible by 10 and it is no repetition is allowed. Now the solution is, a number is divisible by 10 only if 0 comes in the unit place, that is the last number is 0. So unit place is always occupied by 0. The other digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are 5 in number and can be arranged in the remaining 5 places in P55 ways. P55 we know is factorial 5 upon 5 minus 5 factorial. Factorial 0 is 1, factorial 5 is 120. So there are total 120 such 6-digit numbers which are possible. In how many distinct permutations of the letters of word Mississippi do 4 I's come together? Total permutations can be found out. uh, how total alphabets are n is equal to 11, and repeating alphabets are I 4 times, S 4 times and P twice. So it will be total permutations is factorial 11 upon factorial 4 factorial 4 factorial 2. So let us reduce 11 as 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Factorial 4 gets cancelled out. Factorial 4 has value 24 and factorial 2 has value 2. 2 and 24, the product is 48. We know 6 8s are 48. We can cancel 6 and 8 from numerator and 48 from denominator. We are left with 11, 10, 9, 7, 5. That comes out to be 34,650. Now we consider the cases where all the i's are together. How do we get? We consider all i's together. We consider them as one unit. The plus MSSSPP. Now you can see these i's are together, so they are considered as one unit. 1 and 7 without i's, that is 1 plus 7 is 8 and factorial 8. This is permutation of i's. Then factorial 4 divided by repeaters, so factorial 4 get cancelled out, and again 8 factorial 8 can be reduced as 8 7 6 5 factorial 4. Again factorial 4 is reduced, factorial 4 is cancelled out, so we cancel out factorial 4 from both the sides. What do we get? What do we get? 8765 divided by 2, that is 840. So total possibilities where I is not coming together is total permutations minus all i's together. So this is 34650 minus 840, that is 33810. In how many ways letters of the word permutations can be arranged if the words start with P and end with S. Total alphabets are 12. P is fixed at the first place and S is fixed at the end. You can see there are two alphabets T. So the T is repeating. So we find out the total permutations. Since P and S is fixed, we are left with only 10 alphabets now. So permutations are factorial 10 divided by factorial 2. We can solve it and find it equal to 1814400. Now vowels together. Second part is vowels together. How many permutations are there? We consider the vowels E, U, A, I, O of the word permutations and the consonants separately. So 5 vowels and 7 consonant. 5 vowels considered together is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So total permutations is factorial 8. This is factorial 5 is a number of arrangements of vowels, and factorial 2 is for the repeating numbers. So we find out the values. Factorial 8 is 40320, factorial 5 is 120. Divide 120 by 2, it becomes 60, and multiply them together, we get 2419,200. Now, the third part of this question is there are always 4 letters between P and S. Now, for this, we are making 12 places. As you can see, these dash, there are 12 dash, that is 12 places. How we are considering the cases? The cases are considered as follows. It is first place we fix as P, as you can see, and after 1, 2, 3, 4 place, the 4 we fix as S above. Now we fix P second place. So the next place will be this S, as you can see. Again P is fixed here, so S is fixed here. P is fixed here, so S is fixed here. P is fixed here, so S is fixed here, as you can see, and so on. We are getting 7 cases. So all in all, there are 7 cases where starting with P and ending with S. Again, now we consider starting with S and starting with S, we will get 7 cases. You can see first case S here, after 4 place we are having P, then S here, then we are having P. You can see P is here and S here, you can see, then it is P here. So S here, it is P here. So over here you can see again there are 7 cases. S and P in between have 4 places vacant. So total there are 14 cases, and in these 14 cases we can see that P and S have occupied their places. So how many places are left? We are left with 10 places. In these 10 places, T is repeating, that is T is coming twice. So the number of possibilities permutations is 7 plus 7, that is 14, multiplied by factorial 10 divided by factorial 2. Factorial 2 and 2 is the same thing. So we can write it as factorial 2 is 2, and 2 and 14 get cancelled out, it becomes 7, and now we multiply and we get the answer as 25401600. The last question is find the number of words which can be made using letters of the word again. If these words are arranged as in a dictionary, what will be the 50th word? In again, there are 5 letters with 2a. Permutations is factorial 5 divided by number of repeaters, that is 2. That is 120 upon 2, that is 60 cases. Starting with a. Now we are arranging according to the dictionary. So as per dictionary, first a comes. Now one a is fixed. When a is fixed, the remaining letters with us are the remaining letters are A, G, I, N. So A, G, I, N are 4 different letters. They can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. If we fixed G, first place, G is fixed at first place. The remaining letters are A, I, N. So in this there is repetition of a. So they can be arranged in factorial 4 upon factorial 2, that is 24 upon 2, 12 ways, as you can see. Now starting with I, if we fix I at the first place, then we are left with AAGN. You can see AAGN. So again we are having 4 letters with a repeating, so it will be factorial 4 upon factorial 2, that is uh, we are going to have 12 cases, as you can see. So total number of words so far that we have considered is 24 plus 12 plus 12, that is 48. Now 49th word will be Nagi, as you can see. Why is it Nagi? Because we are starting with N, starting with alphabet N. Now as per dictionary, now N is coming. First A will come, then G will come, then I will come, then N will come. And after N you can see there are A, G, I, absolutely according to dictionary. And in the 50th word, last two words, last two alphabets G and I, they interchange their places. So this is the 50th word. So this is how we do and find out what will be the 50th word as per dictionary. Students, please do these questions in your fair copy. Stay home, stay safe, keep on studying. Thank you very much.